Hello students and parents, welcome to the video series on admission process 2021. In this video we are going to discuss on diploma to degree engineering admission circulars, that is the provisional list of institutes, cutoff marks and eligibility criteria for the diploma to degree engineering admission. These circulars were uploaded on ACPC website on 30th June 2021. The circulars regarding admission are updated on ACPC website time to time. You can regularly check the updates. Before starting the content, here is the disclaimer. This presentation is for information purpose only. So students and parents, let me first show you the source of this circular. First you need to go to ACPC website by searching ACPC in browser. Then click on the first link in the search result. Here is the ACPC website. In this you can find the various circulars regarding online admission 2021. Now, if you want to check the diploma to degree engineering circular, click on this tab that is given on the left hand side. Here you will find the important circular regarding diploma to degree engineering admissions. If you want to check the provisional list of institute, click on this given link. In this circular you will get all the information of various institutes, the courses they are offering, the total D2D seats available in the institute, facilities available and the fee structure of respective institute. Similarly, if you want to check the cutoff marks of previous year, that is 2020-21, click on this given link. In this you will get all the information about the merit number and merit marks of respective institute with various degree branches. Similarly, if you want to check the D2D eligibility, click on this given link. In this you will find the eligibility criteria for diploma to degree engineering for the academic year 2021-22. In this way you can check all the latest updates on diploma to degree admission on this ACPC website. Now let me give you the information about the first circular, that is provisional list of degree engineering institutes. In this you will find the following details about the government grant-in-aid institute, self-financed universities that are unaided and self-financed institutes that are unaided. In this circular you will find the ACPC institute list, the courses they are offering, the AICTE approved total D2D seats, institute address, facilities available and the fee details. So let's start with the government grant-in-aid institutes. Here we have taken the example of LD College of Engineering. Below that you can find the address of LD College of Engineering. In the next column you can see the courses name. These are the courses that LD College of Engineering is offering. The next column shows you the D2D total seats for each courses. So total 330 seats are available for D2D. In the next column you will find the facilities that are available in college like boys hostel, girls hostel and mess. And in the last column you will find the fee structure. For example, in LD College of Engineering 1500 rupees is there for the boys and nil for the girls. Now let's take one example of self-financed institutes that are unaided. Here we have taken the example of Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. In the next column you will see the courses name that is civil engineering, computer, electrical, EC, IT, mechanical engineering. In the next column you will see the total D2D seats for each courses. So there are 471 D2D total seats available in GIT. In the next column you will see the facilities available like transportation and mess, and in the last column you will see the fee structure. So in this way, from the first circular, that is provisional list of institutes, you can find the details of government and self-financed institutes. So here is the second circular for D2D students. It is about the last allotted rank in diploma to degree engineering for the academic year 2021-22. So again, let's start with the government grant in aid institute. In this you can see the various government institutes, the branches available in that particular institutes, and for each branch respective merit number and merit marks are given for different categories like open, SC, ST, SE and EWS. So in this circular you can find the last allotted rank in diploma to degree engineering admission, which was given in academic year 2020-21. So let's take one example of government college, that is BVM. Let's take the first example, that is for the computer engineering branch. So the last admission done in BVM institute for computer engineering branch for the open category had merit number 33 and corresponding merit marks was 61.13. Similarly, for the other branch also you can find out the merit number and merit marks. Let's take one example of self-finance institutes that are unaided. So in this table you can see the first college is GIT Gandhinagar and the branch is electrical engineering. So in this you can see for the open category the merit number was 10,288 and the merit marks was 12.43. Similarly, for the other self-finance institutes and for the various branch you can see the merit number and merit marks for different categories. So the third circular published on same day, that is 30th June 2021 on ACPC website, is about the eligibility criteria for diploma to degree engineering for the academic year 2021-22. So it says that in the government notification for diploma to degree engineering admissions, the eligibility for admission is specified as per the norms and guidelines of AICTE. For the year 2021-22, the AICTE guidelines specified 45% for open category and 40% for the reserved category candidates in qualifying examination to be eligible for the admission. So that was all about the diploma to degree engineering admission circular dated 30th June 2021. In case of any queries, you can contact our helpline center at Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. The details are given below. Thank you.